Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I received some more Happy Mail. My post office has been a little busy. I'm loving it. I usually go there and the box is empty. So this is from Cathy at Katzel Create, and I will leave her link in the description box below. I love the envelopes. She always makes these envelopes out of paper. It's such a great idea because some of these big printed papers, you're limited with what you can do with them. Oh my goodness, what is this? But yeah, look at how adorable. Adorable. And then it says, "Hi Maka, thank you so much for joining us in Breast Cancer Awareness Month collaboration." Oh my gosh, thank you. Look at how beautiful. Her 3x3 card, and it even has the ribbons printed in the back. Oh, is that clear? Focus. Oh, Cathy, thank you. Thank you, Tree. They both hosted the breast cancer awareness collab that I was just in. And if you don't know, Thursday is the last day to enter my giveaway. I will be drawing the winner on Friday. So, wow, look at how beautiful. Oh, and it says, "You've got that." And it's a beautiful shaker tag with this beautiful trim. Look. Wow. Oh, look at the angel, the crown, tree of life, these pearls. Amazing. This tassel is beautiful. Oh, thank you. And look, it's all sewed around the edge. I wish I had a sewing machine. I like all the sewing touches, like when they do the paper like this with the sewing. There's all kinds of sequins, stars, hearts, sprinkles, big sequins, little sequins, cup sequins. Yeah, oh, thank you so much, Cathy. I appreciate it. I did have fun in the collaboration. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the playlist here or at the end of the video. But thank you so much. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for those of you returning. Welcome back. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And you can find more videos here. And until my next video, shakas!